welcome to Veg2Nonveg kitchen. In today's episode, we are going to make Bhel Puri. Here are the ingredients for making Bhel Puri. 1 small tomato, finely chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves, poha 1 cup, chickpea or channa half cup, and 1 small boiled and I have sliced the potato, save, salt. This is sweet chutney and mint chutney, and this is small puris. The first step is we have to mix all these ingredients. I'm adding potatoes, chickpea, onions, tomato and coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now add the puris, just crush it and add. Mix it. Now add the chutneys. I am adding mint chutney first. Then sweet chutney, that is tamarind and dates chutney. Mix it. Now add salt as per your taste. Mix it. Now we can add the save. And add some poha. And then mix it well. It's ready now. Our Bhel Puri is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a very good day. Bye bye.